You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing name, which is originally from Spanish, and that's why it may have different interpretations, different pronunciations in English. So let's go through the Spanish pronunciation. It's from the Spanish word peon, all right? And so now it's a Spanish-American day laborer, which is pronounced in English normally as peon, P-un, a schwa sound, un, all right? Now, some may say a bit more as peon as well, because mimicking a bit more the Spanish pronunciation. So again, Spanish, peon. In English, it's normally peon. Some may pronounce it as peon as well, which is fine. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.